Okay, preliminary 3D rendering of this. These base cabinets are 18 deep. This is 12 deep, 3 inches off the wall. And we can look into putting this, I mean, it's on a mobile base or wheels, but that's a lot to roll. But I get getting back there um, to clean out, and I see these are quite obscured. You really don't see any of this from the back at all. So I don't think we need to go through the expense of putting a shaker panel like this on the back because you won't see it from the windows. So that'll save a bit there. Put a wood countertop. This space here is 12 inches. We have about 48 inches of hanging space. Um, Doors, adjustable shelves inside. And this is pretty much from window to window, but this is just a general 3D view to see if this is at all on what you're looking for if we're on the same page. We can see a bit of an overlap here. It's just the way corners are. This door would open up, storage back in here. You can put locks on all these if you wanted to, but let me know what you think. Thank you.